In today's Daily Health, the FDA has approved a new painkiller that could help reduce the risk of opioid addiction. It is the first new pharmaceutical drug to treat pain in more than 2 decades. It is also an alternative to over-the-counter pain medications like ibuprofen. Joining us now, NBC News medical analyst Dr. Vin Gupta. Good to see you. So what is this drug? What type of pain is it supposed to be used for? Can it be used for chronic pain, for example, or something else?
Yeah, Kate, this is really exciting. Here I am treating patients actually actively in an ICU with acute pain. That's exactly the indication it was studied for. This is a medication used for acute pain. So think post-surgery. That's what at least it was studied for. And so instead of using, in those instances, an opioid medication like oxycodone or a combination opioid medication like Vicodin, here we're saying potentially we could use something that's non-opioid that acts on different receptors in the body. It's an entirely new class of drugs, and it could be effective at treating that type of pain while reducing addiction. That's why this is a big deal. Entirely new class of pain medications.
Yeah, I actually have reported a couple of times with people who got medication after getting their wisdom teeth pulled and got opioid medication and then became addicted. So this really could be a game changer because it's not an opioid.
It's a big deal. It's 100% a big deal. We have not seen innovations in new pain medications, especially used for outpatient, potentially outpatient needs that target different receptors in the body until today. And this is really something that could be an oral option, and maybe over time we'll have it for chronic pain needs. You asked about chronic pain needs. This was studied for immediate post-medical acute needs, say post-surgery. But over time, that could change. So we'll have to look and see as this post-approval gets, there's this more patient experience with this, what different indications can we use it for?
Yeah, there's a big community out there of people who have chronic pain who've been looking for alternatives too. I know that. Some concerns about the effectiveness of the drug. What should we know before we talk to a doctor?
It's not going to be as effective for acute pain as, say, something like an opioid medication like Vicodin. At least that's what the trial showed, that it was effective against a placebo, but a little less effective against, say, severe pain versus an opioid medication. So for moderate pain after an acute procedure like a minor surgery, this could be an option.
All right, Dr. Vin Gupta, good to have you. Thank you.